Alright guys, what's going on today? Welcome back to part 2 of the S5 install. So there it is, the CTS pipe. Damn, look at that thing, bro. I think it's massive as fuck. So we're putting it on. So we did do a startup of the car just now. Luckily the turbo's still cold. And we're gonna slap this thing on. Bro, look how much gap there is now. Look at that room. So this is just a single cat. It's not the dual anymore. So that means more flow and possibly even more power. So when we got tuned on this thing, we don't have to get the cat removed and we can just get it tuned with the high flow cat. So right now, we're connecting it to the down pipes. There they are on both sides. You got the new gaskets and stuff too?
No, they didn't give us no gaskets.
Oh no, you have to reuse the gaskets. So you heard the man, you gotta reuse the gaskets. So make sure you have some damn gaskets, bro. Alright, you got that side too. Damn, look how easy it was to install this one as to taking it out. So we've got one bolt already on that side with the old gasket, and we're just putting this side on right now. So CTS provided us with new bolts and screws.
Nuts and screws.
Nuts and screws.
Bolts. Nuts and bolts.
Yeah, nuts and bolts, right? Fuck it, bro.
Always just do one thing. Yeah, buddy. So I just dropped a nut.
Alright, so screws are just snugged in right now. We're putting the clamp back on. Alright, so update so far. This side's in, that side we're finishing up. We didn't have our electric ratchet with us, this would have been quicker. And this right here is the last piece remaining. Our second last piece remaining, and then we're gonna put the O2 back on. And then we're gonna start it up and see how it sounds. Alright, now everything is in. So we tightened up the 3 12 mils on that side, the 3 on this side. As you can see, they're both in. This one here, a band, we tightened down. The only thing left to do is gotta put the cover back on and everything's mainly done. But before we do that, obviously we're gonna start it up first. So that is it. The CTS high flow cat is installed. Look at that difference. Look how big this is, but look how much room there is now. Holy shit, that's a lot of room. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna turn it on. Y'all wish us luck. First startup. All right, let's hear this. Kind of sounds the same, or so. But the rear is the real question. Yeah, it is louder in the rear though. The rear is actually much louder. All right, he's gonna open up the valves. So let's hear how that is. Oh, there, the valves opened up. You can hear it. Damn. Hey, look, give it a rev. Damn. That sounds so much better than before. Okay, everything is done. We got the cover back on. Everything's installed. This thing, it sounds better now. Okay, let's get some shots from here. All right, let's see the revs from here. Now we're gonna go for the drive. Let's see how this thing even sounds, bro. Shit actually sounds fucking nasty, not gonna lie, bro. Damn. Alright, so now we're gonna go for the drive. Now this is a proper rev of the inside of the car. You have the AC on too, so you already know. That actually sounds much better, and it actually feels more responsive from the throttle pedal. Safety system malfunction.
Oh, my seatbelt, bro. I have to go back.
Bruh. Alright, let's go for it. It's the drive. That is louder. Yeah, and it pulls way harder. Holy. Damn, this thing responds so much better. So literally me just setting this thing, even the pops, it actually sounds much greasier. Like I'm gonna downshift it. Oh,
Popping a lot more.
Yeah, the window down a little bit. Oh, that thing just sent me. Jeez. That actually like goes. I'm driving Triptronic right now, so I'm gonna downshift it. And the pops are actually much louder. Damn. Damn.
You're like a
yeah.
And this is without it.
Yeah, this is without a tune.
Just a high flow cat with the intake.
You guys seen that? Now I'm gonna do a quick 0 to 60, up ahead a bit more. Let's check how this thing sounds. So you guys heard that? You guys seen this exhaust? Bro, with that CTS primary cat, which is a high flow cat, it pops more, it actually pulls much harder, and it's less restrictive than the two cats that were on before. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of this. We're gonna do some more stuff to this car in the future, but we're gonna get a tune along with the intercooler. So that is it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to come.